I didn't ask for this, but the AI decided to ignore my prompt and gave me a total impressive victory. That moment is why I started Seedance Roulette. One starting scene, after that, the AI decides everything. Let's see what happens. Well, I think episode 1 turned out way better than I expected it to. I'm actually really happy with that. We have some breaking news. Did you know that medical journals have confirmed that those who like this video will never have to prove they are human by clicking on those blurry pictures of crosswalks again? The algorithm explicitly rewards good behavior. You're welcome. I'll give you a couple quick examples of the prompts that I used for this test, and you'll see they're very generic, intentionally vague, so that the AI has to fill in the gaps itself. So the outcome really is decided by Seedance. I use Seedance 2 as the video model for all of these prompts and tests. I hope you've enjoyed today's learning adventure, and I hope to see you around for the next one.